Order processing on Shopify, a step-by-step guide. Managing your Shopify orders has never been easier. Let's walk through the step-by-step process for order processing. First, log into SmartHub using your admin credentials at smarthub.amazon.in. Once logged in, navigate to the side menu and click Order Summary. Here, orders are arranged by earliest pickup time. You can also filter orders by channel and dates. Under Order Summary, start with picking the orders. Click on Pick and then Create to activate the pick list for selected orders. To view activated pick lists, go to Active Pick Lists and check the IDs. Begin packing the orders listed here. Click the pick list ID hyperlink to start packing the order. This is where you pick products from the shelf and take them to the packing station. Click Print Pick List to generate a list of all items to be picked from the shelf for packing. After picking all items, click Start Packing. This is where the real action begins. Scan or enter the SKU and hit Enter. This step ensures accurate packing. If multiple items are in the order, scan each one. Next, enter the invoice information if applicable and select the appropriate box dimensions for shipping. Don't forget to check hazmat and fragile if they apply. Click Save to print the invoice for the order. From the delivery details section, select the shipping mode and carrier, and then select Save and continue to print the shipping label. Finally, scan the shipping label or tracking ID. You will see the confirmation. Great! Orders have been packed from this pick list. Your process is complete. And there you have it, Shopify order processing simplified. Start managing your orders with ease today. For more tutorials, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Happy selling!